Good morning everyone, Scott here from One Green Thumb Gardening in Toowoomba. Today I am cleaning the top of the gutter protection. So I just wanted to show you, so at this time of the year now, it's July in Toowoomba, Australia. So it's our coming into the end of where all the trees have dropped most of their leaves. So as you can see by the gutter protection, it's actually done a pretty good job of keeping a lot of this fine stuff out. But what happens is over time, it just sort of, it happens with all of them. But at least you can sort of see, even if on a heavy downfall of rain, the water will still come over the top of that stuff and you'll go into your gutter and then get into your tank. If you didn't have gutter protection here, all of this dirt and stuff would be inside your gutter. Then it starts to rot and then you've got beautiful putrid water, and also you wouldn't get the volume of water that you should, because most of it will just fill out and spill over the top of your gutter. Then also you have trees and plants start to germinate in your gutter. So definitely worthwhile having gutter protection. So at this time of the year, I'll be going around to customers' houses and just cleaning off all this sort of stuff. Worst of these jacarandas being that they are a super fine leaf. The best ones are gums and, good morning, gums and any tall leaf, but you can sort of see we've got jacarandas and these bloody bottle brush. They have all these super fine little needle, like the blossoms, sorry, that'll land on into the gutter. So all I'm doing today is I just got my trusty old dish scrub brush, and then I'm just sort of pull it up first, and then you just give it a bit of a jiggle, and you will notice that there is some fine stuff that does get down. As you can see by in that sieve, there's some really fine stuff. That is inevitable. Like, it doesn't matter what gutter protection you have, you'll always get that super fine silt that'll end up in your gutter. So I recommend about every 3 or 4 years, you just get a hose and you just come through and you just squirt all that stuff out. If you leave it too long, and then it's a process of trying to lift up that gutter protection, peel it back, and then scoop all the sludge out and dirt, and then clean your gutters. So yeah, as I was saying, what we're doing is just sort of pull your stuff up and then just give it a bit of a brush. I like to work backwards. Be careful when doing so you don't fall off the roof at the other end. Now, it did rain on the weekend, so that's why it's still really quite sloppy and wet. Alright, so I showed you kind of what I do there. And once I have that's alright, then I get a blower. Yeah, so that's all I do to clean off my gutter protection, and then that's good as gold. Now, if you're not confident or don't want to get up on a roof, which can be dangerous, well, it is dangerous, make sure you get someone who's experienced or with knowledge, or does it with insurance. So yeah, there's nothing worse than falling off a roof and breaking an arm, leg, neck. So yeah, be careful and stay safe. Thanks for watching One Green Thumb Gardening, and have a wonderful day. See ya.